Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. Sorry, HOA is making me laugh. We just did one pour that was a sequel to Waiting for Aphrodite that we're going to call Aphrodite Arrives. And it turned out really, really neat. And I want to play, I still have more paint left. So I want to do one of those wandering straight pours that I've been doing with these colors because I think it's going to come out beautiful. This one's a 20 by 20 canvas. That one was a 24 by 24. So it's a gallery wrapped Artist's Loft level 3 canvas from Michaels. Okay, so let me show you my colors real fast. I have here warm white from DecoArt Americana Decor, Satin Enamels, mixed with some Artist's Loft Flow Acrylic in white. I have 24 karat gold, also from DecoArt Americana Decor, but this was the metallics. Seems a little thin, maybe that's why my gold got lost. Okay, this is my copper from Chroma Molten Metals. I love this color. This is amazing, especially when it's next to that gold. It's so pretty. This is Golden's Deep Turquoise. Amazing, amazing color. And this one is Dyke Brown. So this is the same palette that I used in Waiting for Aphrodite, which I will link over here. And then Aphrodite Arrives, which we will link right after that. Okay, so that's the Dyke Brown. So, and then this one is a Behr paint and primer. I'm going to use this as my background color, my flow extender. Actually, I'm not going to put down a base coat this time because I didn't get those cool spider webby cells and I figured out why. So this, we're going to use it as a flow extender and go around our pour. So let's get started. I had a lot of turquoise in the other one. A lot of turquoise. So we're not going to have as much turquoise. I'm going to put a little bit of white in the center. I just washed the cup, so that's why you're seeing a little bit of water swirling. But it was really easy to wash the cup. Literally only took me like a minute. It's awesome. Okay, then a little bit of gold. Then I'm going to put a little copper in. So that's going to be our center. I'm going to have a little bit of brown. I'm going to go back to the warm white. And I'm going to put my turquoise in. And then some copper. And gold. And white. Get some brown. And then a little bit of white. Sandwiching the brown between the white so that it doesn't bleed. And the copper, the gold doesn't mix with it too much. I didn't have as much copper in the last one as I wanted, so I'm adding more of it this time to this pour. Turquoise. White. Dyke Brown. End it with some more brown because I'd rather have that on the outside edge. I'll put down the brown, then I'll put down a little bit more turquoise too. Okay, so now we've done it right. Okay, I'm gonna put down a little bit of the. Let's see how thick this is. This still feels a little, well, it feels thick, but then when I drizzle it off the stick, it comes off nice and easy. Split the difference in that. A little bit of water. Let's thin it out a touch. Because right now it's about the same consistency as those paints, and I don't want it the same as those. I want it thinner than those. Okay, yeah, that's better. No, it's definitely thinner. Okay, so we're going to put a puddle of that. I'm going to just kind of draw a line where I want that. I'm going to put a little gold in the middle of that too. Okay, here we go. We're going to do one of those backward wandering straight pours. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna put some of this around the edges. This one is the Housepaint, so it should do that selling up effect. Okay. All right. Let's see. I think I wanna. Okay. Well, we're gonna just go side to side pretty much and see what happens. We go this way first. I like this corner up here with this lacing, so I'm going to try to spread that out. So this is the benefit of having a little bit more paint than you actually need, is when you find something that you really, really like, you can encourage it and spread that out and keep that and kind of get rid of the parts that you don't really want as much. I like this. This is really cool. Okay, I'm going to stop that there. I will show you. There it is. I like that. I like it a lot. So that one's done. And it's already starting to sell because we stretched it out a lot. So I'll wipe my hands off and I'll show you some of the cool parts. Okay, so this is really neat. I like it. Actually, I'm going to bring it back just a touch this way. It's a little too high. And there's some beautiful details happening in here. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so in here, this is amazing. This part where there's this like Dyke Brown lacing with a little bit of white, and there's a base of gold, and then there's copper on top of that, and then you see that brown and that white on top of here. And in here, you've got a lot of that deep turquoise where it mixed with the brown, and it's like this cool kind of neon glowing color. There's a lot of fine lines in here, this sort of feathery effect that's happening in this area. All these super fine lines with cells popping up through them. Over here, this is beautiful where it's stretched out and there's a bunch of little cells coming. I love those teeny tiny ones coming up through the turquoise. Very pretty. This is gorgeous over here. This is interesting. This is the Dyke Brown where it mixed with turquoise. And there's like this, you can see that it's Dyke Brown on the bottom and then there's turquoise on top of that. And then over here, there's these gold cells popping up through that. But there's also these really faint Dyke Brown cells, and there's like this seam of kind of metallic-y turquoise where it's mixed with the gold in there. That's really cool. This is really pretty. I like this. I love that section right there. That's probably my favorite part. This is beautiful over here. I love how this is separated. It's cool. This is very pretty. This is going to be kind of neat in 3D when it's dry. So I love this. This is great. So did I just drip in it? I don't even have paint on me. How did I drip in it? Arr! Okay. There we go. All right, so that's that one. I will show you when it's dry. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, guys. I'll see you soon. Okay, so this is a few days later. I am so happy with how this one turned out. This one has some amazing, gorgeous parts. And this is one of the reasons that I really, really like the Wandering Ring Pour. Because you get these lovely ribbons. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Beautiful ribbons of color. Areas of more solid color. You get these beautiful strips of copper and the blue and the turquoise and the gold, and then in here where the gold's celled up. This is just amazing. It's so cool. And there's this part right in here. There we go. Now you can see it. Look how cool that is. So neat. Here's the Dyke Brown with the gold. It almost has a greenish hue, but then there's this like line of Prussian blue in there. It's so pretty. This line of turquoise. Can you get it to focus? I hope you can see it. And all these beautiful cells. And then right up here where it like, look at that lacing. It's so cool. I love the little tiny bit of green in the background. Focus, please. Okay. The top is really cool. At the cells. So, this one was done right after Aphrodite Arrives. And this one was a Wandering Straight Pour instead of a ring pour. And I was looking up a list of Miss Aphrodite's consorts. And I think this one is Poseidon. So I think we're going to end up doing a whole series of Aphrodite's consorts, because there were quite a few apparently. Adonis, Dionysus, Aries, which is, I think you guys are going to like that one. It's pretty cool. So Hephaestus, okay. Not sure who Hephaestus is, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, so this one I think is definitely Aphrodite's consort, Poseidon. And it just, you know, pouring it was very easy, and it just sort of worked the way it was supposed to, which was really, really cool. And it just sort of made me think of like a relationship between two people who have known each other for a very long time, and they're very easy together, and they know each other. So it's kind of cool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I am really enjoying this whole Aphrodite series, and I hope you guys will too. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to see more of my stuff, you can check out Mina Villegas Art on Facebook. You can also check out my Etsy shop, which I am putting more things on there. That is my goal. So I got to clean up Christmas and then I can put stuff on Etsy. So anyways, yeah. So let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. I really do appreciate you. If you enjoyed this and you'd like to be a patron of the arts, there is a link for a PayPal me in the description box. Thank you so much for your donations. I can't tell you how much it means to me. And let's see what else. Let's see. You want to see the bougainvillea? It's really pretty. Look at that gold flinging. Ah! Awesome. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, guys. I will see you for the next one. Bye-bye.